If you want to see the dinosaurs ahead of you or to see how the pharaohs could build the pyramids, all what you need to do is to take a telescope and travel by the spaceship. Its speed should be more than the speed of the light. So that's equal to 300,000 kilometers in a second. So we will land on a planet far from the Earth by 1,400 light year. Then you will see those actions exactly as you watch a movie. What I was talking right now, is it true? Scientifically, it's true, but practically, it's almost impossible. Because everything approaching to the speed's light, he will transform it into an energy or a light. So you, the body, which is consists from flesh and bones, will transform into a light and energy. All scientists support this idea of traveling to the past, but philosophers respond sarcastically by saying, how can we go to the past when I wasn't born yet? And how can I travel to the future and it still didn't happen yet? It's a logical response. Then, travel through the time became a dream of all the humanity. It was a fertile topic of the novels and movies. Even cartoons talked and whispered to the idea of travel time, such as the novel of The Time Machine, written by Herbert George Wells in 1895. The novel talks about the strange man that his wife died, so he wanted to get it back, alive again. As a result, he created a time machine to go back to the past and solve her. Since the older kids and the human used to know three dimension, which is the length, the width, and height, till the coming of Albert Einstein, who added the fourth dimension, which is the time, who is variable, not like the others dimension, absolute. The closer body speeds to the speed of light, the more time slows the body, which means if you travel by a spaceship and its speed 300,000 kilometers per second, or more than the speed of the light, so the time machine of the spaceship will slow hundreds of time. Comparing by the time of the Earth, as a result, the time traveling is possible, but as we can't attain the light speed, that makes it hard to fulfill it. The scientists tried to find another way to travel through the time, and finally they made it, the black hole. Okay, what's the black hole? Black hole formally is a hole. It's created from an expired star that his energy died, so it shrank and transformed it into a black hole. That it attract anything, whatever thing it faced him, owing to the enormous gravity that the black hole owns. So, if human could enter inside the black hole in some way and pass through it in another some way without the human get shredded or teared, so possibly we can go out of the other side of black hole, where there is another dimension, another space, another time. Of course, all that's still an anchor on paper, because the physicists don't know what there is inside the black hole. There is another theory that scientists suggested, which is the universal strings. The strings that it appeared after the Big Bang. Those strings extend to a far distance through the universe. The cross of two strings produce enormous energy leads to make, a curvature in space-time. So that makes the possibility of travel time possible to happen. But human can't execute it, because as a human, our human's technology is not yet developed to operate this mechanism. There is another mystery that kept the scientists unable to reckon. The mystery says if it's possible to make the travel time, and especially to the future, when no one came from the future to our actual present. For sure, the future of the human technology there is more developed than now, so that's really a question or mystery has no answer.